Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and in this video I'm going to explain how to solve problems about ABO blood group systems and Rh positive and negative factor, and we are going to apply some rules of probability in order to solve today's problem. So as usual, I recommend you to stop video here, read the problem and try to answer each question, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answers with my answers and explanations. So here's a problem. If Esther has blood type O minus and Edwin has blood type AB plus, and if Edwin is heterozygous for Rh factor, what are the chances that, first question, the first baby is type A and Rh negative? So how we are going to solve this problem? Genes and alleles of the ABO blood group system are assorted independently from the Rh positive and negative factor because they are on the different chromosomes. So we are going to use independent assortment, and we can solve this problem just by considering each trait separately from the other. So what is the probability that these two parents would have a child who is blood type A? So we know that mother blood type O, and that means that her genotype would be O, because blood group O only made by one genotype, that is O. We know that father is blood group AB, and we know that blood group AB also made by only one genotype AB. So now we can solve this problem by building a Punnett square, and as you see, genotypes in their progeny and phenotypes can be as follows. So here is AO, and this is blood group A. Here is AO, and this is blood group A. And here we have BO, and this is blood group B, and BO here. This is also blood group B. So what is the probability that the first child would belong to the blood group A? And as you see, the probability would be 2 out of 4. So chances would be 1/2 or 0.5 or 50%. That is all the same. So we can say that, for example, this is going to be 1/2. So we are going to use fractions here. And second part of this question, Rh negative. So what we know about the parents? Once again, we know that mother is negative and father is positive, but we also know that father is heterozygous. So mother would be negative, so would be minus minus, her genotype would be, and father would be heterozygous, or would be plus and minus. So once again we built a Punnett square, and now we can predict outcome of such a cross. So here we would have plus minus here, minus minus here, and minus minus here. So as you see, 50% chances that their children, their progeny, would be Rh positive, and 50% chances that their children would be Rh negative, because Rh positive factor is dominant over the Rh negative factor. Actually, what this negative sign means, that means absence of this surface protein on the surface of the red blood cell. Probably due to mutation, this protein is produced but cannot penetrate double lipid layer, so it stays inside of the cell. So we cannot find it on the surface of the cell. So basically that means absence of this protein. So when we have one chromosome that has a gene that doesn't produce a protein that we can find on the surface, but another chromosome would make this surface protein, as you understand, we still have phenotypically positive Rh factor here. But when both chromosomes wouldn't be able to produce this protein, we wouldn't be able to find it on the surface of the red blood cell, so phenotype would be negative. So genotype would be minus minus, and Rh phenotype would be negative. So the probability that the child would be Rh negative would be also 1/2. Next question. The first baby is B positive. So once again, the probability that the first child would belong to the blood group B would be 1/2. So 1/2. And the probability that the first child would be Rh positive would be 1/2. So we have to multiply these two independent probabilities, and we can say that probability of such an event would be 1/4, or 0.25 on the scale between 0 and 1, or 25% if we need an answer as a percentage form. Next question, C. The first baby is A positive and the second baby is B negative. Once again, first baby A positive, so 1/2 chances for first baby to be A positive, so 1/2 chances. To belong to blood group A, and to be negative is also 1/2. So we have to multiply these independent probabilities, and second baby is B negative, so this is first baby, and here is the second baby. Once again, chances are the same, and the answer would be 1/16. So this would be probability to have first baby A negative and second baby B negative. And the last question, they have two children, one with A positive and the other with B positive blood group. So once again, we have the same chances as here to be A positive, so 1/2 and 1/2, and B positive also 1/2 and 1/2, but this time the answer would be different, because here, please pay attention, order is given. The first child is A positive and the second baby is B negative, and in this question D we are not given an order. So how this question is different from the C? Here we may have two situations, that first child would be A positive and second child would be B positive. Second variant would be when first child would be B positive and the second child would be A positive. So as you see, there is twice as much chances to have A positive and B positive child when order is not specified than when order is specified. So we have to multiply this answer here by 2. So 1/16 we have to multiply by 2, and as you see, the probability of such an event would be 1/8. So as you see, in answer D, probability of such event would be twice as large as answer for the question C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.